He's picking up a little bit of ground on Kloeber as they go over the doubles and in the infield section. Kloeber holds some really good lines, almost flawless. With 10 seconds left to go, they come down the straightaway. Kloeber goes a little wide. Number one kicks it on the inside. Still trying to take it on the inside over the double. It's going to be the last lap. Masami all over him, not giving him any ground. Butch trying to take on the inside. Masami goes wide, around the sweeper, over the jump. This will be the last lap. Masami trying to take on the inside. And not do so. That's it.
The partnership between Team Associated and Yokomo goes back as far as 1972. However, it was the relationship in the early 80s with Yokomo's YZ-10 that represents a significant chapter in the history of RC racing. In the world of remote-controlled car racing, the 1989 IFMAR Worlds in Australia marked a pivotal moment. Team Associated and Yokomo emerged as a dominant force with drivers Cliff Lett, Masami Hirosaka, Halsey, and Butch Kloeber showcasing their prowess in four-wheel drive with the YZ-10 and ruling the course in two-wheel drive with Team Associated's RC-10s, setting the stage for a great partnership between the two companies.